man. I really hate my life.
You will pay for this, Eraser. Shut up, you stupid user.
Well, this sucks.
Well, I guess it's time to empty it.
That's right. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Well, there goes the earth for me.
Why is everything getting darker?
Because we are almost into the worst time ever.
Wrong.
Hey, no mean words, or I will kill you and you will die for this.
The A. Thanks a lot, you stupid people.
Why does Graham Chase subsidy GCP told Jacob630 TP and GLB GCP to Haley?
Because you did so many rude things to SpongeBob and Patrick.
Well, I guess nobody likes us because we are for babies.
Well, I guess we are not real heroes, are we?
No. Plus, we are for babies. Gaga. Goofy.
Stop acting like babies, you stupid faking heroes.
Couldn't. Is that you? That's right. I am here. And you are grounded forever.
And you are so totally grounded for life.
I'm scared.
Warning. At this time, I need you to turn down your volume because it might hurt your eardrums. That's all I have to say.
What the flying freaking hell is wrong with you? How do you reach number 1 on Metacritic by the numbers list version 2? That's it. You are grounded for 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 8, 8, 3, 7, 8, 9, 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 9 weeks. Now get out of this video and go to your room right now because I don't ever want to see you again because your show sucks satanic hatred.